listen to talk about the liquid. Okay. Remarks. The liter, okay, any liquid phase measured with liter or milliliter, like milk, the water, the oil, the juice, and so on. And milliliter are 2 units for measuring capacity or the volume of liquids. Okay? 1 milliliter equals 1 cubic centimeter. So, cubic centimeter equals milliliter. Pay attention. Cubic centimeter equals milliliter. And 1 liter equals 1 cubic deciliter. So, the cubic decimeter equals the liter. So, 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliter. To convert from decimeter to milliliter or cubic centimeter. Okay, so we multiply by 1,000. So 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliter. Okay, you have to keep these units. Okay, cubic centimeter is the volume of a cube of age length 1 centimeter or 10 millimeters. And it is used for measuring small capacitors. Okay, these units are not new. Okay, the new one only the liter and milliliter. Okay, now 1 cubic centimeter equals 10 times 10 times 10, so it gives me 1,000 cubic millimeter. The cubic decimeter, as I said before, also is the volume of a cube of age length 1 decimeter. Or 10 centimeters. So 1 cubic decimeter equals 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1,000 cubic centimeter. Okay, all of these are values of the what we had in volume units. Cubic meter is the volume of a cube of age length 1 meter or 10 decimeters, and it is used for measuring large capacitors. So 1 cubic meters equal 1,000 cubic decimeter. Okay. Here we have from the smallest cubic millimeter, then cubic centimeter or milliliter, it's the same, then decimeter or liter, then cubic meters. So as we had in the last lesson and the before last one, okay, the meter, we have here meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter, okay? They are not changed in this lesson, but the decimeter has another name, okay, which is the liter, okay? They are the same unit. Cubic decimeter equals liter. Cubic decimeter equals liter. Okay? And also the cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter equals milliliter. Again, cubic centimeter equals milliliter. So I have the same units, but in the cubic only, here, cubic millimeter, cubic decimeter, cubic centimeter, cubic millimeter. Only these two, okay, have another names, which is here the cubic decimeter equals liter and the cubic centimeters equals milliliter, okay? And also, if we want to convert from bigger unit to smaller one, we have to divide. If we want to convert from biggest one to smallest one, we have to multiply. And if we want to convert from smaller unit to bigger one, we have to divide. Okay. Let's solve some conversion here. Okay. 3 cubic decimeter equal how many cubic centimeter? Again, decimeter and centimeter. We have to 2 centimeters, so we have to multiply by 1,000. So here it would be 3,000. Okay. From liter to cubic centimeter. Liter, it means cubic decimeter, to cubic centimeter, so multiply by 1,000. So here, 1, 2, 3, so it would be 78.1. The next one, 7 cubic meters to liters. Cubic meters to liters, which is cubic decimeters. So I have to multiply by 1,000. Multiply by 1,000. So here, 7,000. The next one, from millimeters, cubic millimeters to cubic centimeters. From cubic millimeters to cubic centimeters. Okay? Here I get the opposite from the smallest to the greatest, so I have to divide. Divide by 1,000. So if I want to divide by 1,000, 1, 2, 3, so it will be 7.6. Okay, the next one, from millimeter, which is cubic centimeter, to cubic decimeter. Okay, so I have to divide. Divide, multiply. Divide, multiply. Okay, so I have to divide by 1,000. So 7.3. 7.3. Here, from cubic centimeter to liters. Cubic centimeter to liters or cubic decimeter. Okay, so I have to divide by 1,000. So here, divide by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 0.032. Okay, the next one, 370 cubic centimeter to liters. From cubic centimeter to liters. I have to divide. Divide by 1,000. Divide by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 0.37. Do you get the idea? It's very simple, but we have to study more and more and practice more and more. 4.6 liters equal how many milliliters? Liters and milliliters. Liters is cubic decimeter and milliliters is cubic centimeter. So I have to multiply here, multiply by 1,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4,600 milliliters. Okay, 7 cubic centimeter equals how many milliliter? Cubic centimeter, and also it's milliliters, so it's the same unit, so it will be the same number. This unit equals this unit, so it will be the same number. Here, cubic decimeter and liters. Cubic decimeter and liters. So they are the same. So I put here the same number. Okay? The next one, 4.6 liters equals how many cubic centimeter? Liters, which is cubic decimeter, and centimeter, cubic centimeter. So from the greatest to smallest, I have to multiply by 1,000. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4,600. Cubic centimeter and cubic millimeters. Okay, cubic centimeter to cubic milliliters. I have to multiply by 1,000. 1, 2, 3, so it will be 500. Now, sorry, 3 liters equals how many cubic centimeters? From liters or cubic decimeter to cubic cubic centimeters. So I have to multiply by 1,000. So it will be 37. The next one, 2.22 liters equals milliliters. Okay, the liters here, which is cubic decimeter, and milliliters here, which is cubic centimeters. So I have to multiply by 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 2,220. The next one, convert from cubic decimeter to milliliter. Cubic decimeter to milliliter, which is cubic centimeter. So I have to multiply by 1,000. 5,600 milliliter. Okay. Now from milliliter to liters, from milliliters to liters, which is divide from the smallest to the greatest. So I divide by 1,000. So here, 1, 2, 3, 0.93 liters. Okay. Let's take another here. The exercise about conversion from units. Let's take another one. A word problem. Here a container has 12 liters of honey. It is wanted to put them in smaller vessels or bottles. The capacity of each of them is 400 cubic centimeters. Calculate the number of bottles which are needed for that. If you remember, this type of problems like what we had in volume, okay, because it's the same idea, but here I use it for the liquid things, okay. So here I want to get the capacity of this container. Container has 12 liters of honey. It is wanted to put them in smaller vessels. Okay, so here I divide the big amount of honey into small vessels. Okay, so 12 liters divided 400 cubic centimeter to get the number of the bottles or vessels that I need, okay? But pay attention here, there are two different units, and to make any operation you have to unify the units. So I want here to convert the liters into cubic centimeters to divide them. So to convert liters, as we said, it's cubic decimeter. I want to convert it to cubic centimeters, so it will be multiplied by 1,000. So here it will be 12,000 cubic centimeters divided 400. Now the units are the same. So 12 divided 4, 3 and 0. So it will be 30 bottles. Sorry. 30 bottles, okay? So I divide the big amount of honey into smaller by the smaller amounts to get the number of the bottles that I need, okay? The second one here. A patient takes a spoon of medicine of capacity 3 milliliters daily in the morning and in the evening. That means he takes 3 milliliters in the morning and 3 milliliters in the evening. After how many days does the patient take 240 cubic centimeters from this mixing? Okay. First of all, here 3 milliliters and cubic centimeters. I want to unify the units, milliliters and cubic centimeters. Already they are the same, okay? Already they are the same. So I make the calculations directly. But if they are different, I have to unify them first, okay? Don't forget this. Now, here, in one day, he takes 6 milliliters, 3 in the morning and 3 in the evening. So here, 240 divided 6, okay, 6 milliliters daily, so 24, okay, there is, do you understand the idea? I take all the amount of medicine, which is 240, divide 6, the amount of medicine that he has every day, okay, and divide them. So the quotient or the result is the number of days, okay? Okay, a cube-shaped vessel, its internal edge length is 30 centimeters. It is filled with cooking oil. Calculate the capacity of vessel. And the other question, if the price of 1 liter of cooking oil is 9.5 pounds, calculate the price of all the cooking oil. So first of all, I want to know the amount or the volume of the oil to know the price of it. Okay, so first of all, to calculate the capacity of the vessel, here I want to get the volume of the vessel. Okay, so here the volume of the vessel or of the cube. Okay, both of them are right. Or of cube. Okay, you can write any of them. 30. I write the rule first. Side times side times side equals 30 times 30 times 30 equals cubic centimeter. Okay, this is the capacity of the cube, okay, or the cube-shaped vessel. Okay. Now, okay, here I want to convert from cubic centimeter to liters. Why? Because here you give me the price of 1 liter. So I need to convert from centimeter or cubic centimeter to liters. Okay? Again, from cubic centimeter to liters or cubic decimeter, so I have to divide by 1,000. So I can write here 27,000 cubic centimeter equals 27 liters. Okay? Then, this is the first question. The second question here. The price equals 27, the number of liters, times 9.5. Okay, use your calculator. Times 7 times 9.5. It's 256.5 pounds. Okay? 25 centimeter, the width equals 30 centimeter, and the height equals 42 centimeter. An amount of solar is put in it, its height equals third of the height of the container. Calculate. The volume of solar in the container and the total price of solar. Okay, leave the price now. I want to solve the first question, which is the volume of solar in the container. Okay. The first one here, the volume. To get the volume, I need what? Length, width, and height. Okay. First of all, if I put the solar in a container, so it will take the same length and the same width, right? So the volume here, volume of cuboid, because it's the shape of cuboid, equals length times width times height. It's very important to write the rule. Here, the length 25 and the width 30, and the height is 42. Should I write 42? No, pay attention here. He said the height of the solar is third of the height of the container. So I multiply third by 42 or divide 42 by 3. 42 divided 3 equals 14. So, I have a calculator. 25 times 30 times 14 equals 10,500 watt cubic centimeters. Okay. Then here, the total price. Here I finished the first question. Okay. Okay. The second question: the total price of solar in a container is the price of 1 liter of solar equal 1.2 pounds. Okay. So give me the price of 1 liter, and here I have cubic centimeter, so I have to convert from cubic centimeter to liters, so I have to divide by 1,000. That means here, this equals 10,500 divided by, okay, will be 10.5 liters. Okay? Now the price equals 10.5 times what? Times 1.2 equals 10.5 times 1.2 equals 10.5 times 1.2 equals 12.6 pounds. Which 12.1, right? Sorry, 12.6. 12.6 pounds. Okay. I think all the ideas of the problems depend on your understanding what should you do and about keeping the rules. I know that. Read each problem carefully and try to, if you want to draw something or to divide the problem into parts to solve each part. Just that I think I covered all the ideas in this lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. We have finished our